Okay, here's a video of the new 26 RBS 2025 LIV that just came out of the plant. I wanted to go through a few things with you so that you can see all the features of this unit. This particular unit has a galvanized frame with an electric tongue jack, obviously the holder for your harness cable, and it runs with a 27 group battery instead of a 24. That'll give you a little extra battery when you're using your vehicle. We also have a on-off switch that will turn off all of the DC in your trailer, so that when you leave for the evening to go to dinner, you can come back and turn all your lights on with one switch. This unit has dual tanks with a tank cover. You can see that we use very small but very powerful marker lights that are LEDs, and we have our graphics of the LIV. We also, on this side, we have a endless hot water heater, and we have a huge storage area, nice and big, that goes all the way through. You don't see any wood because we don't use any. Everything is double welded construction on this vehicle. We have an endless hot water tank along with electric stabilizer jacks on front and rear. This has a slide out. It's a very large slide out with a hopper, so that when you go to the campground, the branches and leaves and dirt don't go inside of your unit. This particular unit has optional 15-inch aluminum wheels. They come standard with 14s. This has optional 15-inch aluminum wheels with a spare tire, and it has the 30-amp cord that shows that it's lit right there. That shows you that you have power inside the unit. Here's your cable hookup for cable TV while you're at the campground, and it also has your tank connections right there. In the rear, again, another stabilizer jack, a spare tire. This unit has a backup camera. It's pretty much fully loaded. And here, over here, is your outside shower. The door is held up with magnets. It has a pull-out Flame King grill. It has 110 power, LED lights. It has blue background lights at night, and it has a refrigerator. You have a huge electric awning with lights, and the awning is set up with hydraulic arms right there. So if you get a lot of water on it, it'll automatically drain. We also here have 110-volt current for outside on your picnic table, a fresh water connection, an outside hot and cool shower. This is our brand new luxury linoleum. It is held down by very, very small plastic rivets. You can see one right there. And this is a very heavy-duty linoleum that'll stay flat and does not roll, and it will last forever. If you need to take this linoleum out, we can cut you another piece at any time. There's your sofa. Your sofa is both a sofa, it is a jackknife bed, and it also will allow you to have the rests come out. There you go, right there. Inside the bedroom, it's just beautiful. You have your TV here. You have your new shades that we use. The shades are one way, they're a shade, and the other way, they're a screen. You have room under here for all of your suitcases, all of your extra things that you need. And we have the hers and hers wardrobes, okay? This has the slide out. It's a really nice slide. Background lights and LED blues. The slide is a U-shaped that turns into a big bed. We use a residential size Dometic 11 cubic foot refrigerator. It is big and it is beautiful. This is a 3-burner convection microwave combo with a glass cover so that you can have more storage area on the countertop. We have 2 drawers here, and underneath we have a these in. Underneath, we have a really nice fireplace that'll put out heat. Stainless steel sink. We have the range hood, just in case we get a little carried away with our cooking. And then we go into the bathroom. The bathroom is gorgeous in this. This has the massage shower. You can see it there. The new 26 RBS 2025 LIV slide out. I hope this helps you with knowledge about the unit.